What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is January the 16th of January. I just made it back home and had a package at my door, and we're gonna do it. So we're gonna be doing, I guess, an unbagging, unboxing. But I will say it's kind of suspicious because when it was out here, my bag was already open. As you can see, it was already open. Like, really, y'all. But let's see what we got in here. For the unboxing, the unbagging. Yeah, I know, for me, I'm the type of person that I like to have different kind of outfits to work out in. So I feel like if I how you say, if I feel good in the clothes I have on, I feel like for myself, I'll work out better. So let me show you the first one. Look at that. Trust none. Oh, this is over 5. This is over 5. And it come in a set. Normally when I try to get something, I try to get in the set. So it also come in a set. So this is about to go down. So this is the first one. Let's go to the next product. Let's go to our next product in the bag. Let's see what's the next product in the bag. So far, you know, the bag was open, but it's like they were still, like they still ain't been touched, so that's a good thing. Let's go to the next product. Next product is this right here. Hey. Love sugar. And as you see, I got my hair braided for the cruise. Come with the pants as well. You know, I like to coordinate it. Everything I have is supposed to be coordinated. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. It would look like it might have been a little bit open. It would look like a little bit open because, or busted out. But let's go to it as well. Look at this one. Hey, look at that. It said said move Willie the flow. Said move Willie the flow, never far away. Hey, and listen, I don't really do a lot of white, but I like this character. I feel like it'll be pretty cool, so I got it, you know. And then as you can see, it also comes with the pants as well. Hey, coordinating this place. That's, as you can see, there's 3 outfits right there. That's 3 outfits. This is number 4. Number 4. That's I thought they were pants, but hey, look at that one. It said broken. Yep. Dope Skill Brands. It says since Dope Skill Brand. Look at that. Look at that. But what's so crazy, this one is a short set. This is a short set. So now I got another pair of shorts I can wear. It's going down. It's going down, like. So now that is all that I have in the bag. That is all that I have in the bag. So remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you drink water. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Yeah.